Welcome back to my channel. So in last class we discussed about kinematic of machinery. So in previously we are studying mechanics of solids. So now we continue in this mechanics of solids here. So in that we completed the temperature stresses in compound part derivation. So according to that we are going to solve the problem. So we find one formula here. Because of that formula we are going to solve the different types of problems. So a bar of brass 25 mm diameter is enclosed in a steel tube of 50 mm external diameter and 25 mm internal diameter. The bar on the tube are both initially 1.5 meter long and are rigidly fashioned at both ends using 20 mm diameter pins. So find the stresses in the two materials when the temperature ranges from 30 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Take ES is equals to 200 kilonewton per mm square, EB is equals to 100 kilonewton per mm square, alpha S is equals to 11.6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade, and alpha B is equals to 18.7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree centigrade. So what he is going to say is, here there is a one brass and two steels. So one brass is enclosed with steel bars. So rigidly fixed. That means the steel diameter is 50 mm and the brass diameter is 25 mm. He is saying in question. So these both are rigidly joined with the diameter of pins is 20 mm diameter of pin. Because of that it is joined. So both the steel and brass length is 1.5 meter. He given in question. So this is information he given. And what we want to suppose to find here? So we want to find the stresses in the both materials. So what are the stress? So if you apply temperature to this type of material, so what is the stresses is induced here? After reading the question, first of all we want to write the what the given information. So what we want to suppose to find. So all the information he given: diameter of the steel and brass, length, diameter of pin, temperature, ES value, EB value, alpha S value, alpha B value, and because of that we want to find the area. So he given diameter of the brass. So for that we want to find the area of the brass is pi by 4 into d square. So d is what? 25 square, because diameter of the brass is 25. So then if we substitute in Castro we get a 490.873 mm. So now area of the brass we want to find. He given steel diameter. So for that area of the brass is pi by 4 into d square, do square minus di square. That means outer diameter square minus inner diameter square. Why? Because here there is a two steels. For that we use a pi by 4 that into outer diameter minus inner diameter square. After finding the areas, so we want to write a formula. This formula already we derived in last class. So this is the main formula. So if you substitute all the values in this formula, we get our P value. So all the information he given, AB value we know, EB value we know, and AS value we know, ES value we know, and temperature value also we know, alpha B value we know, alpha S value we know. So all the information we got it now. So if we substitute this formula, we get our answer is 209.11 kilonewtons. So load in terms of kilonewtons. So in question they ask to find the stresses. Stresses means what? Stress is nothing but load by area. So now we find out the load value. So already we know the value of the area. So directly if you substitute stress value is load by area. So load value we find it now 209.11 by area. Area is nothing but 490.873 area of the brass. So this if we substitute in Casio we get a stress value in brass rod. So 0.0425 kilonewton per mm square of the stress developed in a brass. So now as it is with the steel, so area by load, area we already know. So see the area here, we find a 1472.62 and load value we find it. So if we substitute the Casio we get a PS value. So like this we want to calculate the stresses. So in next class we will discuss another type of problem. So video, please subscribe my channel.